everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing something a little different and it's about toys. So I got these Shopkins Squish-Dee-Lish toys and lately I've been into like getting toys. I've been really liking to watch these blind bag openings, unboxing videos, and if you like these toys and you like watching these videos, then I'm sure you enjoyed this video. So I don't live by a Walmart, and I happened to go to Walmart yesterday and I found these Shopkins Squish-Dee-Lish toys, and I got Smooshy Mushies. I got the little donut, that donut, and I got the Smooshy Mushy besties. So I really want to share with you what I got in these because I don't know what I got yet, so we'll see. Comment below if you like watching these videos. Obviously, my whole channel is not going to be about toys, but here and there, if you like these videos, I'll post them here and there, opening some blind bags or some latest toys that I got. And I bought these with my own money, and you know, no one told me to do this video. I just really love doing these unboxing bags, and I know mostly on Instagram, I've been posting on my stories some other toys that I've been getting, and you guys have been loving them. So I figured, why not post on YouTube? If you guys love it on Instagram, I'm sure you guys will love it on YouTube. So, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, or if you haven't seen what I've been posting, I posted a stories highlights of my toys that I've been getting. So you can go check those out if you want to see more videos of me opening stuff. And you can follow me at Crafty Amy on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have 5 Shopkins bags that I'm gonna open. Let's see, I have the Squish-Dee-Lish Series 3. Okay, let's see. This is one, okay, I was trying to feel them in the store. And this one's gonna be green and white. So, let's see. Oh, cute! I got the little peppermint one. It's so squishy and cute. And they're really slow rising. Cute. Okay, I'll put that one here. And then the next one. Oh, cute! I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's bread. It's bread. Cute. Oh, cute. Okay, let's see the next one. This one is blue and white. It's kind of small. So let's see. Oh, cute. It's a little cupcake with the cookie in it. Cute. It's so squishy. Next, Squish-Dee-Lish. This one is blue and pink because it has little holes. So let's see. Oh, cute. Oh, I think this is a pear. Cute. It's a little pear with sunglasses. Cute. Okay, there's that one. And this one. Okay, the next one, let's see. Oh, this one is yellow. It's kind of long too. Let's see. Oh, cute. I don't know, it looks like an ice cream cone. Cute. A little squishy ice cream cone. All the little squishies. Okay, the next ones, I'm gonna open the Smooshy Mushies. So, there's a rare, okay, so I was watching videos about this, and I guess the chicken is a rare one, and there's a unicorn that's a rare one, and so I'll be happy with either one I get. There's like a milk carton one, so whichever one I'm happy to get. And this is a Series 2 Smooshy Mushy donut one. Okay, I need scissors for this one. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think I can see what I got. This is so cool. comes with the little keychain for the tiny Smooshy Mushies. Let's see. Oh, cute! I got, oh, this is the skunk! This is the skunk! Ooh, it smells good! Ooh, it smells like strawberries. Okay, and then the little blind bag mystery bestie. Oh, cute! It's a little cinnamon roll. So the cinnamon roll with the little skunk together and they're besties. Oh, and the checklist. The checklist. Oh yeah, yeah. So the chicken is the ultra rare one. Oh, cute! And it has a little origami, little origami thing you can do to make like we do in your the fortune tellers. I'm gonna do that later. Ooh, these smell the same almost. Yeah. Okay, next, Smooshy Mushy. Oh, I see, I got a different one. At least I didn't get a duplicate. Oh, and this one comes with the pink little container. Oh, cute. Oh, this is the monkey with the donut. Oh, cute, look it. And it has a donut at the top. They all smell the same. It almost has a mixture of like fruity and plastic scents. Okay, and then the blind bag. Oh, it's a little cup of mocha with the monkey. And they're besties. And yesterday, I couldn't wait to open the Smooshy Mushy besties. So I opened one and I got the popsicle, and I didn't even realize when I was getting these in the store that they're all categorized differently. I thought it was all just gonna be random, but it actually has each category separate with the name in the front. So this one is the Bakies and this one is the Munchies. And I didn't even realize I would have gotten the Sweeties because the Sweeties has strawberry, toasted jam, and then crunch bite. Yeah. So, and then I was feeling these and I kind of cheated because you can feel what it is. And it's kind of obvious. So this one is the churro. Let's see. Oh wait. Okay. So this one's a churro. I bet. Watch. Cute, the churro. How cute. And it comes with the little keychain. Comes with the pink keychain. And then this one, I think this one's the Cocoa Muggin. So it's a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Oh yeah, it is. Cute. Little cup of coffee. I mean, keep saying coffee. Cocoa. These all smell the same. So the scents don't really go with what it is. You would think it would smell like hot cocoa, but it doesn't. And by the way, this is Series 2 Smooshy Mushies. Besties. This one I think is Piper Peanut. So let's see if it is. Yeah, it is! Piper Peanut. Oh, how cute, it's purple. It matches my sweater. I should wear it as a necklace. Oh, this is so cute. The little peanut. So there's all the Smooshy Mushies that I've opened. So those are all the Smooshy Mushies that I opened. You can find these at Walmart. Like the Smooshy Mushies, I think they're exclusive to Walmart. And then the Shopkins Squish-Dee-Lishes, I think I've seen them at like Claire's and Target and stuff. But yeah, every time I go to the stores, all the toys are like wiped out, all the good ones, like the squishies and the LOL surprise dolls and like all the other good ones. So yeah, These are all the little squishies that I got. Comment below if you have any squishies and if you have any of these, or what's your favorite toys lately, so I can like be in tune. So if you like to watch more of these videos, thumbs it up so I know you like it, and comment below. And you can follow me on social media at Crafty on Instagram. Thank you for watching.